Welcome to the English virtual classes. Today we will start with Unit 3 Wit and Humor, tape script Curious Town, page number 64, 65 and written by Harinder Nath Chattopadhyay. Now I am going to tell you the summary of the poem Curious Town. Listen it carefully. This poem is completely based on imagination. The poet reaches a town where everything is beyond the imagination. It means this poem is about a place, a town which is not really exist in reality. It is completely imagination. So, first of all, we need to understand the meaning of curious. Curious means unusual, something strange. Now, listen the summary. In this poem, the poet has arrived at a strange town which is painted with strange colors, and there the kitten barks and puppy mews. Strange? Because in reality, puppy barks and kitten mews. But here in this curious town, there is totally opposite. Then in second stanza of poem, the frog is climbing up a tree and was croaking in strange way. Means the frog is warning everybody it is going to rain of ice or the shower of ice and it is going to hail today. Hail means small balls of ice that fall like rain from the sky. Then in third stanza, the river flows with fire. Also a strange thing because the river doesn't flow with fire, it flows with water, and the volcano packed with dew. Dew means small drops of water. It is also strange because the volcano is packed with fire and the colors of the rainbow are more than 7 in this town, and days in the week are 2, but in reality the days are 7. Everything is strange in this town. And in fourth stanza, you see a most curious, most strange sight, and that is a dead crow roar. Basically, a lion roars, but in this town, crow roars, and the asses means donkey, who roam have only 2 legs. Basically, the donkeys have 4 legs, but here in this town they have 2 legs, while the men have 4 legs. It's also strange because the human beings have 2 legs. Then in fifth stanza, the earth climbs up the sky to till it and sow the grain. It's also very strange because the earth is under the sky and the boat goes moving over the rocks. It's funny na, because the boat floats over water and over the seas the train goes moving. How strange and funny it is. And in sixth stanza on page number 65, the north and south exchange their places. They are playing to pass their time. How strange it is. And the sun rises during the night. Basically, the sun rises in the morning and the moon comes out in the daytime. Everything is opposite. Everything is curious in this town. Then again, in the last stanza, the poet said that he has arrived at a strange town which is painted with strange colors, and there the kitten barks and barks and the puppy mews and mews. In short, everything is curious, strange, and funny in this town. Now, this is all about the poem Curious Town. I hope you enjoyed this poem. Today, your homework is read poem Curious Town. Thank you and have a nice day.